Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're going to learn how to fold the Space Shuttle designed by Toshikazu Kawasaki. This tutorial is presented to you by Wilson Lee. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to help you practice origami on a regular basis. Every week I'm going to select two models and show you how to fold them. One of them is going to be from my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge, and the other, an origami model that's never seen before on my channel. I also post bonus videos as well, so remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you never miss any of my videos. Today's model is the Space Shuttle designed by Toshikazu Kawasaki. This specific section of the Space Shuttle is actually called the Orbiter. In 2012, I joined a 2-month program called the Space Study Program that was offered by the International Space University. This program was co-hosted by NASA and Florida Institution of Technology. It was their 25th anniversary. Not only were we invited to watch a rocket launch from the Kennedy Space Center launch site, but we also saw the last orbiter being prepared for retirement. Seeing the orbiter being moved across the NASA launch site and being there up front with my own eyes was an important moment for me. And when I saw this model of the Space Shuttle, I realized I really want to fold it and I want to share it with you guys. This is the Space Shuttle designed by Toshikazu Kawasaki. Here, you can actually use a pen or your fingers to round out the two thrusters in the back. They're the white flaps. I tried to do it, but my fingers were a little bit too big for the model. If you got a moment to spare, please check out a few other of my videos. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something interesting. And once again, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. Thank you, and see you next time.